Artisanal Sudoku time. We're going with Side Eye by James Sinclair from Artisanal Sudoku. I think it's 182. All right, normal Sudoku rules apply. We have region sums and black crop key. All right, so normal Sudoku rules 1 to 9 in every row, every column, and every 3 by 3 box. Region sum. So this blue line, the sum of these four is equal to these four because it's the same line, but it's separated by a region. So the region will be the thick black lines. So these four equal those two. This equals 1, 2, 3, which equals to that as well. So we know that those two are actually going to be the same. And then this, and that'll be the same. And then these two have the same sum as that, same sum as that, same sum as that. And black crop key has a 1 to 2 ratio. So this can be a 1 to 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Those are the only options, but I mean, they can go in either direction. Okay, now let's see what we can do here. All right, so I'm going to look at this one. So this has to be a 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. This also has to have a 1, 2, 4, 8. So then we know that the 1 and 8 cannot be in the middle. So the 1 and 8s have to be at the end. So those can't be 2 4s. So those can't be 1 8s. All right, so then this equals 9 and 6. So this is 15. So this 6, 9, or 7, 8. And then this is 6, 9, or 7, 8. So this can be, we know that those are 6 9s because they can't be 7, 8 because the 8 is there. So this will be 7, 8, which places that as a 1. So that'd be an 8. So we know that this is going to go 2, 4. What about this? This is a 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 8. It could still be an 8 with the 8 over here. Now we know that the 1 and 8 cannot be in the middle. That can't be an 8. So it could be 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2, 4. Okay. Leave that be for now. All right, so 2, 2. This can't be a 2. So the 2 is going to go here. I know this can't be a 2 because of the region. This has to equal these two, which means they would both have to be 1s, which is impossible. All right. Can I do the same with 4? 4. No, this is a 4. Okay, so then that'll be a 1, 3. And it'll also be a 1, 3. So then this is a 4. So that'd be a 2, 4, which puts 1, 8. All right, so this can't be a 4. So this can no longer be a 1, 1, 2, 4, and this can't be a 2. So, oh, actually, so that's going to be an 8, 4, 2. We are just moseying along here, and then that's going to be a 1 because just normal Sudoku rules. Now this is 3, 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, oh, 1, 3, 5. Okay, so that's a 1, 3, 5, which makes this a 6, 7, 9. And we know that the 7 is going to be down there actually because of this. So the 7s are up here. Oh, this is 1, 2, 4, 8. That can't be a 1, 2. We know 1, 8 can't be here. That can't be 1, 4, or 8. So that's going to be a 2, 4, 8. Okay, so if this is a 1, this would have to be a 2. So this is going to be 3. That'll be a 6. Puts that as a 1, 2, so that's going to be 1, 3. So we know that the 1 will be there now. 3, 5, okay. Going at a decent clip at the moment. That is probably going to slow down. So 3, so we know that the 3s will be there. And then we can put 4s here, so that'll be a 4. And then, so this will be 4, so that's 4. All right, 4s are done. That was quick. And then I can pencil mark 2s here. 2s here. Actually, this is going to be a 1, so that'll be a 2. That'll be a 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, I'm just going to pencil mark them all in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we know that can't be 6. Those can't be 8s. Actually, those can't be 8s either. Those can't be 5s. 5, 6, 8, 9. I think that's fine. Ooh, 2 in the row is going to be here. Then we need 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. Wait a minute. 1, 1, 1. So this is a 1. Which puts this as a 1. So 1s are done. We're done with 1s, 2s, and 4s. Lovely. Oh, that's going to be a 3. 3, 4. So 6s are now here. So I can remove those as 6s. So that's a 5, 9 pair. So those are not 9s. So then I can place 7, 6, and 8, which puts that as a 9, and that's a 6. So then this is a 1, that's going to be a 3, 6, which 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. 5, 7, 9. So this cannot be a 5 because if that were a 1, it would have to be a 1, 2, 2 or 1, 3, 1. So this is not a 5. Now sitting in the back seat. That's an 8. So is this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 9. 5, 7, and 9. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we can place the 6s. No, pencil mark the 6s there. 7s will go there. 2, 3, 4. And then 5 and 9. 5, 6, 7, 9. Yeah. That's fine. That's okay. What do we need? 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so that's 5, 7. Okay, I can pencil mark the 6s here. So then the 6s go up there. Okay, I can do the 6s, but that can't be a 6. Because this has to equal that. So if that can't be a 6, this can't be a 6. All right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. All right. 3, 5, 7, 9. That can't be a 9. And then that can't be a 3, 5. So we know that's a 7, 9 because it matches that. But if it's 7, doesn't that have to be a 1, 2, 4? So I think it has to be a 9. I'm like, okay. I'm almost certain that has to be a 9, right? Because if it's a 7, yeah, 7 only has one option. So that's a 9. So then those are not 9s, okay? So then these are not 9s. So this becomes a 5, 6, 7. Okay. 1, 2. So then this equals 8. And it can't be a 1, 7 or a 2, 6. So it's going to be a 3, 5. So that'll be a 3, 5, which puts this as 6, 7, 9. Actually, so 9 is going to be here. So that's going to be a 9. This can't be a 5 anymore, so that'll be a 6. This can't be a 5, so it's a 9, 5. All right, so that's a 3, 5. This one can no longer be a 5, so that's going to be a 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. All right, and then let's delete that 7. A That's a 3, 5. So then this will be a 6, 3, 6. Okay, so that's not a 6. That's a 3, 5. That's a 3, 5 pair now. So that's not a 3, 5. 3, 5, 7. So this is a 6. And that'll be a 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we have 5, 7 here as well. Okay, hang on. So that's a 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. This becomes a 5, 7 pair. This is a 6, so that is a 6 as well. 6s are done. Okay, so then in this column, where's the 9? Can't be here, can't be here, so it's going to be here. Those 9s. So this is a 5, 7, which puts this as a 3. And then that'll be a 3 as well. 3s are done. Then we need a 9. Okay, so that's a 6. So then this will be a 5, which puts 7, 5. So that's going to be 8, 7, 8, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. Finish it off with a... Oh, man. Having a cough right on the last number. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, good stuff.